ka halfway home for rehabilitation of persons living with mental illness ka WM Hachnong Saba Muswang West Giant Hill District hajan ka Woodland WK Hospital to kathaw wad sen kerpang neibynta uyarap ya kibru wa chitom bor pyrkhat perdain ite to hadin wad mi kina kithaw sumar wa pher yo wansa chwaki chipor hagani kathaw nang yo yo ki sikai ipen sngau tho hachwa uliwan ki chakiyung kamju chaka imlang salang hagani kathaw ki wachitom bor pyrkhat uyo ki kinja pen sngau tho wai e mensim ipen sngau tho o yato wa ki imlang salang najrong wadaw emlei e sikai kam ki kinja vocational training khnang wa mandaliwan yung gi yo tip ki kamon upen yato wa ki imlang salang we kamon ukhi ukre Yagani ka halfway home upalay da ka Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment sure hapo ipat iyo ka chnat Directorate of Social Welfare ka Sarkar Jilla. Yagani ka halfway home da wai pat ba ale ni ka singi daw Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hill District UBS so aliya chiru BM lang ka Director yung ka chnat Social Welfare ka CD Lengwa ka Dr. AN Paswen na ka Jowai Civil Hospital Jalong ka Dr. AN Paswen na ka Jowai Civil Hospital Yalong, ka Jason na District Social Welfare West Giant Hill District, ka DSP yung ka West Giant Hills ka CW Longdo, uwa hechnong ka Saba Muswang ki Dakot ka Sure wata upay yakani ka tawa kiwi. Ka Director yung ka Chnat Social Welfare ka CD Lengwa hawaklam da pensngaw ka isngaw yawarok ki embenta upalay yakani ka halfway home, dewa yulutile uman sakit ki kiwirap yung kiwakjun. Hejo ipor kentu harok ko wo egi ichakri wa bhatam hekam wa kre ki najrong u ka idle yekam khnang wa yiwale uman I wa job wa penhun ya warok lang Nileng Deputy Commissioner wan hawaklam kentu yaki pajba kamju kichnong githa wa pher wo pediang ki wo sngaw tho le yaki bru wa chitom bor pyrkhat we kat wa yele uperchang pen kelano ye rukom pyrkhat yang ki khnang yo sngaw tho yaki wa chitom Ni bha boy em ki ka benta wa khro wa yi ki ule palat ye ki wa biang ibor pyrkhat we rukom im. Heya to wa kani ka halfway home kular haro wa ni chakhamat ka yung kre kam yung o de lang wa ka chnat social welfare ki doktor daw ya chong pyrkhat ki hajrong kamon upen bha chu ka ni bha am to i wasuk wa ya boy jia I yi wam boy pyrkhat chakman kat wa kamte em kam uman ki wa pangkhre chwa.
Ba patients suffering with mental illnesses kimdei ki kinong no kimdei ki dibigi apan sumar ban e tanda ban keri ki ban pen wan yang ilase ini persyang abala bikin long kela ki asset to society ila ban pen kelai ki da kabagi ai ki vocational training bikin long ki cingkur kru society ban pen I gunuksa pada ba ho ni don ki mental illnesses tamba we are still humans and we are still people and we can still do in fact many other things better than you, than normal people. Being filled with resolve now that nang ni shakman office jonga bat ka social welfare bat ki doctors bede bene ka kam niya mirjing mot lang ni kran bha ni sia pyrkhat lang ban no ban bhai ni ka we ho ban haju bapor bakanang yo obor nakasingi nakasingi kinong trairu nang yo obor nakasingi ba gimde ban give up mar it'll be very challenging ekta ngalong pa along kamli ka basuk kandang bet ki ni kita ki ba gimpoi pyrkhat pyrkhat menta ki ban long ni kindam ki jingja kindam ki jingwan kindam ki ni kita inre with resolve then ila ban overcome all that ila ekran mene kinong kran ni mene lalu I doktor ni pan na ka jing labu jingwai ni lalu I kita tak mensiam ta Ndai kudo ban sustain pada itu jing tak mensiam jungi kudo ban sustain ni ila la ban long menta bang mas ndak program ami nang tu pada ila pja na mensiam ni ndai ban long ta ngan mi no ni ho la de bajing lang ni la de formalities kan ya long segi we kam de office ndai people belai kita belai yang mana belai itu I kom belai yang itu ki dan hang ni ndak pada ni halfway home iban bakal halfway home kan ya kan ya kan yo bor ni sini but ni community bakal sure bakal social welfare dapat ke office jong คือดิซิรุกินยานังละบัดเป็นค่าสกิเวกิ halfway homes หากิเวกิเด็กชิลองนันตาคันเอก subject of mental illnesses of people กิบนิลาบันไอกิสุมากิลองกินกลาบบันกิเนี่ย asset to society.
And minta mga dana NEP, what is a theme maka belong in the heart of Sir Modi and Prime Minister, but who's Conrad Root? It is a happy people is a happy people is a healthy people. A healthy people, doctor, you know here, a healthy people is a people that can be happy. When we're happy, we do things with motivation, with inspiration, and we can work more well. But the theme for NEP for this year is mental health. And feel like you're touching the heartbeat of God actually. See, because God does not do anything through He does it through people. So you have to understand that. And when we are saying reverend, but you're multitasking. You're multitasking, and only we human beings can do multitask. So this is a very power pack. Video now. It's a power pack people's group that we are in. But because we are gathered here together to have a maximum impact in people who are vulnerable, people who are marginalized, people who are looked down by society, people whom others don't want. We are the ones who. And when people fear didn't try to come, if you give your best. Good. If not, then you come best to show. Because we are looking at 1 lakh people to pass, we need to create 60,000 jobs. Kanika roster is sitting only for 2,000. So don't be, don't be wearied or sidetracked by it. Please don't. All right? And so if he borrow fine, kiba danani kiba run a program and say sing and put back in words kiba dang neibynta. We are created for a purpose. You take that to heart and driven by passion. If you work only with a purpose, you become mediocre. You won't give 100, you'll give 60 or 50. But if you work only with passion, hedonistic no. If you're just working with purpose, passion, you become mediocre. If you work only with passion, without purpose, hedonist. But if we balance it between purpose and passion, we arrive at the destiny that God has created us to be. We God will see that. CCTV. You bought CCTV, I don't do that. Please believe. It's not my duty to watch people, yeah? If you don't trust each other, it's gone. All right? So, if you're driven by purpose, together with passion, you arrive at your destiny and you become the best exhibit of all that God has created you to be. And you will reach out to one person at a time.